Hi everybody! Today we're going to be making something that you can enjoy either for breakfast or for dessert if you're really healthy like that, and that's parfait. So first you're going to start off with 4 cups of yogurt, and you're just going to add 1/2 cup of maple syrup to that. And just mix it all in and make sure it's the same consistency. And then you're going to peel and chop a banana. If you guys want, let us know in the comments below if you want us to record a separate video on how to chop a banana properly, in case this wasn't enough for you, but if it is, then you can move on to the next step. We're gonna start stacking all of our ingredients. You're gonna take your yogurt maple mix, add some banana, add some granola, which my mom actually is going to link a video for how to make because that is a whole process in itself. And then you're going to top it off with, so these are actually called wild berries, and they're Canadian, and we like them a lot more than blueberries because we think they taste better and they're also just cuter to look at. So if you've never tried wild berries before, maybe this is your sign to give it a shot. But yeah, make that layer twice. And I just wanted to thank my aunt Renata for this recipe. We got this from her. She's awesome. And oh yeah, just PSA, we store all of the ingredients in the fridge so that nothing gets soggy, and then it's very simple for anyone to quickly make the mixing and layering themselves. But that's it. We hope you guys enjoy. Happy parfaiting. Bye!